Hey juniors, welcome to spring break, week 4. Today I'm doing my first screencast-o-matic to show you guys how we're going to run this class for the next few weeks, hopefully just the next few weeks anyway. So I'm looking at your Schoology page right here. The first thing that you'll notice on it is a little link called What Do I Do Today? It'd be a good thing to click on every time we have class. We have class, by the way, Monday this week, Wednesday, and Thursday. We're a day 1 class. When you open the agenda, you will find a little Google Doc where I have written out exactly what I want you to do each day. Just follow the steps and you should be good. That said, I'm going to walk you through it really quickly right now just so you get an idea. All right, so the first thing we're going to do every day is you're going to open up this little folder called ACT Prep. Now, I know the ACT was supposed to be April 7th. It's clearly not going to be now, but you're going to be seniors next year. You are going to take this test at some point, somehow, even if you have to be 6 feet apart from somebody. So let's make sure we got you ready for it. So the first one we're going to use is punctuation. You can see all the little folders here. And in it, you will see a PDF as well as a little quiz. Now, how it's going to work is you read the PDF. So you click this, you open it up. So we've got our document right here, and then it's taking a little while to load, but it teaches you the skill. This is what I'd be doing in class on the board, showing you some examples of things like this, right? Want you to make sure you read this. It's showing you exactly what you're going to be doing, and then there's a place to practice. Now, most of these practices have 5 questions. You can see that right here. So you'd read the Cubs curse and answer these 5 questions. Now, you can do this one of 2 ways. You can either write your answers down and then put them on the quiz later, or you can have your quiz open in another window. What quiz, you say? Well, let's go scroll up back here and again go right into the punctuation folder. You will see that there's an apostrophes practice. You click on that and it basically just launches you into what looks like a quiz. It's the same questions from the PDF. It's going to be a place for you to put them. It's very important that you do this. This is how I take attendance every day. If it says practice, as these ones do, it's not going to count toward your grade. That's what practice is. But toward the end of the week or to the end of the lesson, so we got apostrophes, commas, semicolons. Whoops, I just accidentally clicked something right there. When we get to the end of punctuation, there will be one called assessment. Anytime it says assessment, that's going to count towards your grade, all right? So all of these things, all told, are currently going to be like, I think, 75 points at the end. So we want to make sure that we're doing that. And you got to do it by 2 every day because, again, that's how I will take attendance. So that's one thing that you'll be doing each day. We're going to read a book called The Stranger. You can see here that I have in the Stranger folder the actual PDF of the book up here for you. And then there is a few little links that you'll need to know about. First of all, there's a forum called General Questions. Use that anytime you want. Ask questions about the class, the book, whatever's on your mind. But each day at the end of your reading, you're going to have to fill in this little discussion thing. You're going to do 3 things in it. So I'll show you the first one here. This is an example. When you open it up, it'll say Part 1, Chapter 1. There's a philosophical statement right here. Existence is absurd and true meaning in life is impossible. I want you to either attack or defend that in 4 to 7 sentences. In other words, you agree with it or you don't, and explain why. Then there's going to be a Chapter 1 question. I'm not going to read through that whole thing for you right now. You answer that, and then there'll be something just for fun. Like this one here, you go to a little internet quiz which asks you like 9 questions to tell you which philosopher you would be most like. And then you're going to put that guy's name right there, all right? Once you've got all 3 of those things answered, you post it, and then you can see I'm going to be grading it. So if you've done everything I asked, you're going to get 10 points a day for that. If you've not done what I've asked, or if you've missed part of it, obviously your grade will be a little bit lesser. Okay, so on the days that we don't have class, those are meant to be my office hour days. Those are great days for you to ask questions, get in contact for anything that you need. Hopefully we're just going to be out here for a 4-week period, 5 weeks, whatever it is, to May 4th. If not, we'll continue using it this way, and I will only open up things that you're using each day, so you're not going to be overwhelmed with all the stuff that you have to do. Just remember, what do I do today is always going to be there for you, and then everything is in folders. You can ask questions anytime. All right, so take care of each other by staying away from each other. Hope to see you guys all soon.